In this video, we're going to dive deep into a day trading strategy utilizing two key indicators, EMA exponential moving average and WMA weighted moving average. But before saying, oh, it does not work in range markets and so, make sure to watch it until the end and I might have a surprise for you.
Nice.
This day trading approach is not only simple, but also user-friendly, making it suitable for traders of all levels, including beginners. What's more, it's been proven effective, offering a relatively high profit potential. So make sure you stick around till the end. And hey, don't forget to support our channel by hitting that like button and subscribing. As mentioned earlier, what makes this strategy stand out is its flexibility in setting take profit targets based on the signals provided by these indicators. Whether you're trading in the Forex market, cryptocurrency, stocks, or futures, this strategy is adaptable across various markets and time frames, catering to both scalpers and swing traders. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty. We'll be demonstrating this strategy on the TradingView platform, but you can apply the same principles on other platforms like MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. First off, let's set up our EMA indicators. Make sure to adjust the settings to your liking and then confirm the changes. Next up, we'll add the WMA indicator, which will serve as our signal guide for placing buy and sell orders. Customize it as per your preference and then confirm the changes. To place a buy order, ensure that both the EMA 10 and WMA lines are positioned above the EMA 200 line. Look for the crossover of EMA 10 above WMA, and when confirmed by a bullish candlestick, it's time to enter a buy trade. Make sure to set your stop loss and take profit levels accordingly. Conversely, for sell orders, you'll want to see both the EMA 10 and WMA lines positioned below the EMA 200 line. When EMA 10 crosses below WMA and a bearish candlestick confirms the trend, it's a signal to enter a sell trade. Again, ensure your stop loss and take profit levels are carefully set. Unlock your trading potential with FundedX. If you're ready to elevate your trading game to new heights, look no further than FundedNext, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. Trade up to $300,000 on a FundedNext account and earning up to 95 the profits. Sounds enticing, right? But that's just the beginning. With FundedNext, you're not just trading. You're paving your way to success alongside a community of over 81,000 funded traders spanning across 195 countries. What sets FundedNext apart? Let me break it down for you. Profit sharing from challenge phase, profit sharing right from the get-go. Yep, you heard it right. We're the only prop firm offering this, giving you that extra push to reach the top. Say goodbye to trading under pressure. With FundedNext, you trade at your own pace with no deadlines hanging over your head. Trade with peace of mind thanks to our intelligent drawdown calculations. No unnecessary stress, just smooth sailing towards your trading goals. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game with FundedNext. You get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Guaranteed payouts. Worried about when you'll get. Don't pay with our 24-hour payout guarantee. Your earnings will hit your account within a day. And if we ever miss the mark, we'll top up your payout with an extra $1,000. Ready to embark on your journey towards trading success? Join FundedNext today and unleash your trading potential like never before. Contact us now to kickstart your adventure. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. The world of trading is yours for the taking. Seize it with FundedNext. And hey, don't forget about risk management. Proper position sizing and leverage are crucial to keeping your trading account healthy. And with that, we wrap up this video. Stay tuned for more, and happy trading.